How to quickly make custom thumbnails using AI tools. Hi everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create eye-catching thumbnails using AI. It's pretty fast, simple, and perfect for YouTube or social media. Let's just jump right in. So the first step is to pick an AI thumbnail tool. You can start visiting tools like Canva Magic Media, Photo AI Thumbnail Maker, or Thumbnail.ai. And these platforms can instantly generate professional looking thumbnails from text prompts or images. So I'll just head over here and search for thumbnail AI, hit enter, and go ahead and open any one of these options over here. I can go to Canva free AI thumbnail maker and open it up. Once you open this, you can easily add a prompt here to create a thumbnail. So I can easily search for the prompt. So first, you can sign in. You can get access to a lot more features just by signing in. Now, once you have signed in, you can just go ahead and click on this prompt icon. And I can just write something like YouTube thumbnail of a shocked man holding money with bright background and bold text. All right, something like this. I can just go ahead and click on create thumbnail with AI, and Canva will start creating the design for you. It will automatically adjust the aspect ratio as well. If not, you can adjust it later. That's not a problem. As you can see here, it's generating our images. Here it is. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and copy this and paste it right here on the blank space. If you want to generate again, you can click on this. And once that is done, once this is here, you can adjust its size by dragging it over here. I'll just do something like this. And if you want some specific text over your picture, you can add that while you write the prompt. Now, once that is done, you can click on share and click on download. Then you can select your file type. The PNG is suggested, so leave it as it is. And then you can just click on the download button right here. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.